Hello and welcome to Technicforce Tutorials. Today, I will show how to create White-Label in Helpira and how to install White-Label Helpira package on your own hosting cPanel. Let's get started. First, you need to log into your Helpira membership account. Go to the sidebar and click on the White-Label. Here you can see I've already loaded some White-Label, but we'll create a new one. You can see the app name and the company name, the company website, and the date created. To create a new White-Label, click on the Create White-Label button. Enter the app name. Then enter your website. Then enter the company name, and then upload an app logo. Then after that, click on the Submit button. You can see here that the Helpira White-Label package is ready for download. To download the White-Label package, click on the Download Here button. Now you will see the Helpira zip file that you just downloaded. We need to upload this file to your server. Next, I will show how to install White-Label Helpira package on your own hosting cPanel. We will go to the cPanel to set up the Helpira installation. This is my cPanel admin panel. Scroll down to the Files section and click on the File Manager. This will open a new window displaying the structure of your server, including all folders and directories. Locate the folder named Public HTML. This is where we will place the files, so ensure you navigate inside the Public HTML folder. In my case, I already have several pages in folders, so I created a subdomain called tutorial.mechmarketers.com. This is where we will upload the White-Label Helpira zip files. Next, click on the Upload button. To open the upload screen, this supports drag and drop functionality. Go back to Windows Explorer and drag the Helpira zip file into the upload area. The upload should complete in less than a minute. Once the upload is finished, go back to File Manager, and you can see the file is uploaded. Right-click on the file and choose Extract. Select the folder where you want to extract the files. Once extracted, you can delete the zip file by selecting it and clicking on Delete, and then permanently deleting it. Next process, open the new tab and visit your domain. This extension is required to install Helpira. The extension automatically detects whether the hosting is set up correctly, and if something is missing, it will notify you. Right now, you can see that all the requirements have been met, so you can click the Next button. However, if some requirements were not met, and you needed to install an extension, so you will need to install the extensions from your hosting. Click on the Next button. Display a page asking for some database connection details, such as the database host name, username, password, and database name. To provide these details, we'll go back to cPanel and create a new database. Scroll down and click on the MySQL database wizard. Write the database name, then click on the Next Step button. Next, we need to create a new user for this database. Enter a username, enter a secure password, then click on the Create User button. Now the user is successfully created. Now I'll click on this box to give all privileges to this user and then go to the next step. You will now see the user is added to the database. Go back to the Helpira setup page and input the required database details. Enter the database username, enter the database password, and enter the database name. Then click the Submit button. After connecting to the database, you will be prompted to enter your full name, enter the email address, and a password to set up your Helpira admin. Then click the Submit button. Account has been successfully created. We can log in here. The next step is to create a license for Helpira. Copy the Helpira installation URL. Next, go to your Helpira membership account. Go to the sidebar and click on the license and click on the Add License button. Choose your license type. For this setup, select White-Label. Enter the site URL where you installed Helpira and click on the Add. A new license will be generated. Copy the license code. Go back to your Helpira dashboard, paste the license code, enter your email, and then click Validate. Your Helpira app is now installed. That's how easy it is to create White-Label and install Helpira on your own hosting. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.